Hi, in this video I will show you how to edit autumn filter using Lightroom Mobile. Here are example photo before and after using this filter. Let's get started. Go to Light. Adjust the exposure to plus 0.45. Highlights to plus 11. Whites to plus 23. Blacks to minus 17. Go to Curve. Follow these steps. Done. Go to Color. Temperature to minus 4. Tint to minus 3. Vibrance to minus 18. Saturation to minus 7. Go to Color Mix. First go to Color Red. Hue to plus 28. Saturation to plus 99. Luminance to plus 22. Go to Orange. Hue to minus 23. Saturation to plus 47. Luminance to minus 5. Go to Yellow. Hue to minus 6. Saturation to plus 28. Luminance to minus 28. Go to Green. Hue to plus 15. Saturation to minus 21. Luminance to minus 22. Go to Cyan. Hue to plus 9. Saturation to plus 23. Luminance to plus 22. Go to Blue. Hue to minus 31. Saturation to plus 16. Luminance to minus 15. Go to Violet. Hue to minus 24. Saturation to minus 25. Luminance to minus 15. Go to magenta. Hue to +6. Saturation to +12. Luminance to +3. Done. Next go to Effects. Clarity to +21. Grain amount to 19. Size to 26. Roughness to 74. Go to Split Tone. Bring hue to 67 and saturation to 15 for highlights. Bring hue to 255 and saturation to 19 for shadows. Done. Go to Detail. Sharpening to 7. Color noise reduction to 24. And done. Now let's try to copy this preset to another photo. Copy settings. Paste settings. Thank you for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe and like for more videos.